Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best backpacking chairs that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the TravelChair Portable Backpacking Chair. The TravelChair Portable Backpacking Chair can be compared with your favorite armchair, the one that knows just how to envelop you in one of those perfectly snug embraces. The difference is that this seat is happy to trot off to the outdoors and join you on even the most extreme adventures. Ticking all the boxes for being lightweight-ish. At 3 pounds, compact and perfectly comfy, the TravelChair is also great value for money. One outstanding feature of this portable folding chair is the addition of the TravelGrip feet, which help to keep your chair from sinking in sand, mud or wet terrain. Apart from this feature, the chair comes pretty standard and remains practical and perfectly suited for hiking excursions. The TravelChair sets up in seconds and folds to a compact size for convenient storage. Simply attach the chair to your backpack using the built-in Velcro straps for hands-free transport. For more great chairs, make sure you also check out Guide to the Best Camping Chairs. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hex 2.0 Backpacking Chair. If packing light is your ultimate goal and you are willing to forego a raised seat, then the Hex 2.0 is definitely worth the consideration. Weighing a mere 21 ounces, this fold-out design is probably the lightest backpacking chair on the market. While comfort might not be its best feature, the Hex 2.0 is appreciated for its versatility, durability, and its brilliant way of folding out to offer an instant seat on any terrain. The seat's inner 8mm high-density foam is covered with water-resistant and breathable 70D-coated ripstop nylon, offering your buns padding while keeping the moisture, sand, and bumpy terrain at bay. Holding up to 250 pounds, this lightweight portable chair proudly sports a bottom flap that folds in for extra seat cushioning or out for lounging. Or you could fully expand it for added cushioning under your sleeping bag. The Hex 2.0 is a highly packable chair, and with an added top loop you can easily clip it onto your backpack for quick access and simple convenience. Make sure you also check our guide to the best beach chairs. At number 3, we have the TravelChair Slacker Chair. While this design fits the bill for being more of a backpacking stool than a chair with a backrest, this low-cost outdoor seating solution still manages to keep your bottom cushy. Engineered to form the shape of a tripod, the seat has been structured to encourage you to sit straight, which is not necessarily a bad thing. And as lightweight and fragile as the stool might seem, TravelChair Slacker Chair can securely hold up to 275 pounds. This portable tripod stool conveniently and easily folds up to the size of a rolled-up newspaper, so it can definitely come in handy for those who are looking for a basic and lightweight seat to carry along on the odd outdoor excursion. In fact, the chair folds up to be so compact that it would fit snugly into your external frame backpack instead of attaching it to an outside loop, which is also still an option. If you are strapped for cash but really want to add a portable chair to your kit, then the TravelChair Slacker should make the cut. At number 2, we have the Alps Mountaineering Tri-Leg Stool. Another tripod stool that really impressed us with its price, quality, and convenience is the ultralight backpacking stool from Alps Mountaineering. There's simply no beating around the bush with the brand's Tri-Leg stool. It's light and compact enough to carry along on challenging hikes, and it's sturdy enough to offer an adequate seat. It's just, well, practical. While a stool will never provide the same luxury as a fully fledged chair, the Alps Tri-Leg stands proud and offers enough comfort to give you the relief you need after a strenuous walk or climb. Packed complete with the usual storage bag, this backpacking stool folds down to a mere 3 by 24 inches. The tripod leg structure and unique center support and webbing system make this lightweight stool sturdy and fully capable of holding up to 250 pounds of weight. Strength and stability are definitely the Tri-Leg stool's top quality features. And finally at number 1, we have the Coleman Stadium Seat. The Coleman Stadium seat is by far one of the more affordable backpacking chair options. While it might not look as impressive as other more robust and lifted seats, it's perfect for those who are simply looking for a place to rest their bottoms without plonking them on the ground. This lightweight, only 1.2 pounds, portable chair is fully water-resistant, and the durable fabric with its strong seams ensures that the product has been made to last. Simply roll the seat up and toss it over your shoulder using the carry strap or hook it onto your backpack. You won't even know it's there. Definitely well worth its value. We recommend the Coleman Stadium ground chair to those who are perhaps not as serious about camping or hiking. It's best suited for those who like to attend festivals on the odd occasion or frequently find themselves on the beach. For a more seasoned hiker or camper, we recommend something a little more robust. If you really are just wanting something basic to plonk your tush on without getting wet and being overcome with a backache, then the stadium seat will do just dandy.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.